No.
Fine. You should have no problem with me calling the police then.
No.
Point taken. Right. Why are you in the fridge?
Because of the magical time agent thingy.
The what?